a piece of information that you learned that feels illegal to know?
I'll start. I learned that when you put money in the bank doesn't keep it in the bank. Instead, the bank re-lends that money back out at higher interest rates in order to make even more money. And they do so on things like mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards. This is called the fractional reserve banking system. And for decades, the banks have been doing this in order to take advantage of the American people and become even more wealthy themselves. But another thing that I learned is that banks are required to keep a certain amount of cash reserves. It's called Tier 1 capital. Now, banks do not keep their cash reserves in their own products. They don't keep it in things like money markets, CDs, and savings accounts. No. Instead, they turn to the insurance industry and they plow their cash reserves into maximum funded whole life contracts. But I learned one other thing that's really interesting. I learned that we can skip the middleman, eliminate the banks, and put our own money directly into maximum funded cash value life insurance contracts. We can become our own bank and keep all of those benefits for ourselves and creating wealth for our families. You didn't know that? Well, now you do. Consider it a Christmas gift. Merry Christmas from the North Swole.